Shilpa, I come to you. Even you are literally standing in water in residential areas. What is being done to ensure that this returns to normalcy?
Well, yes, Pooja. In fact, as far as the Puducherry administration is concerned, what they're expecting is for the water to recede by evening or by night today, because there was high tide, and because of that, the water stagnation, the draining of water was not happening at the rate that they wanted. But now that the high tide is over, we are also witnessing, because we've been here in the morning, we can definitely see that the water levels are receding here in most of the places in Puducherry. But that doesn't mean all is well, because there are still localities, residential areas, as you move forward this particular road, that are completely flooded. In fact, the rainwater was till the ground floor of the houses, and many of them had to take shelter in the floors above, or they had to be even rescued and taken to relief centers. So that is the situation. But for now, the Puducherry government says rescue is not a priority anymore, because it's so far done, is what the administration says. But to restore power, because the substations are fully flooded, so they are not able to provide power to even hospitals. So that is a very, very precarious situation. So that is the most important thing that they're working on at this point in time. There's no communication network. Most of the communication networks are down. The hospitals are not getting power. The water pumping stations are not getting power. So once power is restored, a lot of things will fall into place, is the idea that the administration has at this point in time. And also to provide relief items. Remember, there are people, many of them stranded inside their homes, not able to come out, venture out and get essential items. Many of them, we've been speaking to them since morning. All of them say, we've not had food, we don't have water, or, shortage of milk, etc. So all of that is also being provided. In fact, the government says they've provided over 60,000 packets of food since yesterday. So all of that is being handled by the government. But there are also complaints that the government was not prepared enough to brace the
On that
impact
point,
of the cyclone.
Shilpa, what you've said has become a political showdown as well. Was there not enough preparation as should have been in place? For now that we know that while people are being moved to safer areas, should more have been done?